technology that is built for your every sense. Acer Pure from Acer.
Move on and talk about the biggest development that has happened in the parliament so far, because this sector was completely regulated, but now it seems that it will soon be turning into law. 100 rupees that you have, imagine overnight if it turns into 1,000 rupees. Well, isn't it tempting? Because that seems to be the promise of countless real money gaming applications in India. Either you can roll a dice, try your luck, or use your mind to win big. Now, many of these applications seems to be operating legally, but others, however, do not. We'll get you the differences exactly, because just now in the current parliament session, the Lok Sabha has cleared the Online Gaming Bill 2025. It is now just 2 steps away from becoming a reality and being enacted into a law. Now, what is this bill all about, which seeks a ban on real money applications and games? Because now there won't be any need of spending 10 rupees hoping that you can become a millionaire overnight. There are rules, there are regulations, and there is penalty, and a heavy penalty that has now been put into place as far as when it comes to these gaming applications which involve money are now going to be deemed as illegal. Let's break down as far as reaction that has been coming in from the Union Minister, and of course what are all these money game transactions and how much penalty that it would invite if you are found condoning when it comes to an illegal activity, when it comes to money gaming applications online.
The entire gaming sector, online gaming sector, has become a very important part of the digital technologies, and our country today is known for being a technology friendly country. This sector has 3 segments. 2 of the segments are very useful for the society. 1 segment is causing a lot of harm to the society. The 2 segments which are useful for the society are e-sports and online social gaming. This bill aims to promote these 2 segments, for which an authority will be created. There will be new schemes where people get more employment and this creative economy grows. The 3rd segment, where the harmful impact is very clearly visible in the society, the middle class families who are losing their entire life savings. There are so many instances where young boys and girls, they commit suicide because they are not able to face the losses which happen during the online gaming that they go for, and that kind of harmful impact is what this bill tries to protect the society from.
Well, let's get in a word from Bhavtosh now. Bhavtosh, good morning. Why it was important as far as putting regulations and deeming as far as these illegal betting applications where in which money is involved, the repercussions mainly the youth that had to face both mentally and monetarily.
Good morning, Amita. The investigation that were carried out primarily by the Enforcement Directorate revealed that the sector was completely unregulated. The tax evasion was worth at least 20,000 crores. And most of these illegal betting apps were unregulated. There were tax evasion that were happening. Mule accounts were set up, and the apps themselves were created in a manner in which the people who were playing were ultimately losing money. Now, some of the figures that have been quoted by the Enforcement Directorate when they submitted the report to the government was that these apps were getting at least 1 billion hits this year alone. There were at least 11 crore individuals who were regular users. And these users were only losing money. Now, this was causing them mental health issue. In Telangana, there were at least 1,000 deaths by suicide because people were suffering losses. And these losses were of not a huge amount of money. They were suffering financial losses, but small amount of money, thousands of crore rupees. They were falling in debt traps, and this, in fact, led them to take borrow more money. Yes. The app themselves, the servers were based in foreign countries, and that's the reason
as soon as
the regulation
it becomes a law and it is implemented. Bhavtosh, thank you very much for that live update. It seems that the government has now made it clear that once the law kicks in, any money-based application that surfaces will now face strict action. Let's take a look in detail. Meanwhile, it is easy to fall into the trap of online money games, and who wouldn't be tempted if they could, the cash could double or triple, or you can become a millionaire overnight. That is why the onus now lies on those offering these so-called services. The government has made it clear that once the law kicks in, any money-based game that services online will face strict action. Let's take you through exactly when it comes to how it changes the game altogether. As far as when it comes to jail, will now be up to 3 years. This is for offering money gains, and the fine and a penalty that needs to be served is a hefty 1 crore rupees. Even when it comes to advertising the money gains, when it comes to the jail, that would amount to 2 years behind bars. The fine that could be levied is up to 50 lakh rupees. When we talk of money game transaction, the jail term could extend up to 3 years, and the fine is a hefty another 1 crore rupees that needs to be paid. When we speak of repeat offenders, the jail term would be served between 3 to 5 years and up to 2 crores. This is even double the amount for serial offenders or repeat offenders that we are looking at, who would be indulging in now the illegal activity. However, concerns that all online games will vanish, however, are misplaced. The government knows that the gaming sector is hugely popular among youth and will only grow further. This bill in particular targets only to the money aspect, the monetary aspect, while allowing other forms of online gaming to thrive. Let's take a look exactly when it comes to removing the doubts and fears. When it comes to esports, it is going to be promoted. Online social gaming stands, it is also going to be promoted. When we speak of online gaming money schemes, online money games, this is going to be banned, this is going to be prohibited. So this is the difference that you can see as far as esports, online social games, they are to be encouraged. However, when it comes to the involvement of money in these online applications, well, this activity is now going to become illegal. Now, when we talk about the online gaming industry is massive, and when we say it is massive, it is actually titanic. Let's take a look as far as when it comes to the worth here is concerned. It's a $3.7 billion worth sector that we speak of, 9.1 billion that is expected to be projected by the year 2029 comes. Now, when we speak of the revenue that has been generated from these money games, it is picking up steadily when it comes to 86%. 2 lakh of the people that are employed, it generates employment as well. And when we speak of the online gamers, who are, as far as the data that has been suggesting, is nearly 488 million. That's a staggering number. Now, when we talk of the critics who are asking what's wrong with these applications, after all, when it comes to certain places which are not online, but there are casinos where people flock to try their luck and win big. What is the difference between a physical casino or being a digital one on your mobile phones? Let's tell you as far as why online gaming is a death trap and it is dangerous. This is the price that you're going to pay, especially when it comes to being stuck in this vicious cycle. What is now being said, amount of money that the people have lost, this is mainly when it comes to the target audience, which is the youth, is 45 crores. What is now being said, when it comes to money, 20,000 crore rupees has been lost in real money gaming. Merely when it comes to people, the youth who have committed suicide, mainly coming in from the state of Tamil Nadu, 48 suicides that has been reported from 2020 and 2024, and all is being attributed when it comes to these illegal gaming activities online. So even affecting mental health and the imbalance that it tries to create within society, and the youth being influenced by these money gaming apps is huge. And to counter that, a complete ban may soon stop people from gambling their lives away, but there is a bigger fear and a threat that legal applications could be replaced by other illegal ones, which is far more dangerous, both for the public and for the country. Let's take a look at the repercussions. The illegal betting market, when we speak of nearly $100 billion that are deposited annually, when we speak of these visits that have happened right from the months of January to March, amount to nearly 1.6 billion. The platforms that have been blocked so far are around 1,400 And when it comes to the GST loss that India has incurred, had gone up to $4 billion US. So it is not just to lure when it comes to the quick money that hooks on the people when they believe that, spending 10 rupees could make them overnight millionaires. No. The real trust is to gamble when it comes that they see their favorite celebrities also endorsing their applications. Well, they say if the celebrity is endorsing them, then that means it is safe and secure, but that is also not the game. Let's talk about when it comes to the biggest names and the faces right from film industry to cricket now are under fire for promoting such illegal betting platforms. They have been questioned as well. Let's take a look at their faces. This is Prakash Raj, who has been quizzed over the Jungli Rummy link. There are also, when we speak of the topmost anchor, when it comes to the actors in the film industry, Vijay Deverakonda has been questioned by the Enforcement Directorate, and so has been Rana Daggubati, who has been questioned by the Enforcement Directorate. When we speak of former cricketers as well, Suresh Raina has been recently quizzed. Harbhajan Singh has also been recently quizzed. When we talk of Yuvraj Singh, he's also been summoned for questioning. Sonu Sood, who has been summoned for questioning. Urvashi Rautela has also been summoned for questioning when it comes to such individuals, such stars, such celebrities, such influencers who have been actually promoting such kind of illegal betting applications.